Hello students, welcome to the channel Notion of Mathematics. In today's video, I will be discussing that how to understand the concept of covariance in Excel. So for this purpose, I have taken two data range. So first is related to study hours and this is the data range, and second is for exam scores and this is the data range for this second variable exam scores. So for that purpose I will be utilizing here one formula, that is equal to COV. If I am writing, it is giving us two type of formula actually. Covariance dot P, so it gives the population covariance, okay, the average of the products of deviation from deviations for each data point pair in two data sets. And for sample it is covariance dot S, it gives sample covariance, the average of the products of deviations for each data point pair in two data sets. So firstly I am going to use here covariance dot P, that is for population covariance. I will be clicking on this, and then I will be providing the array 1 and comma, then I will be providing array 2 and thereafter bracket close and enter. So here in such a way we have obtained the population covariance. We have obtained the population covariance. Now if I am talking about the sample covariance, what I have to apply here, equal to COV if I am writing, and then I will be selecting this covariance dot S, double click on this if I am doing this, and then I will be taking array 1 and comma, and then array 2 I am taking here, and then bracket close and then enter. So in such a way this is the value of sample covariance. It is the value of sample covariance. So I hope today's video will be very helpful for you to understand the covariance concept. Thank you so much for watching this video.